আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
I'd like to request make me co-host. Welcome everyone. As it is almost 8:32 now. Uh, Today I'd like to start with the previous class lessons. I'd like to request Riddhita or Rashid Bhai to just make me co-host so that I can share my screen. Right. Thank you. Now I'm going to share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My voice is hopefully clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So previous class, 23 May, we talked about a story in the orientation class and we have introduced to each other. So have a look here. I do not have any written material for that. This is for speaking purpose. The first, uh, A Madman in a Village. The title of this story is A Madman in a Village. So I have some key words here, as you can see. Real life story, 1994, a village. Mr. Kolimullah, 64, Mrs. Parvin Akhtar, 55. They were childless and
Sir,
a
something
madman appeared.
background noise, sir. Sir, some background noise, sir.
Still background noise. Actually, I joined from my laptop.
Sir, I think
Aziz Bhai,
Mohammed
Aziz Bhai, please.
Azizuddin.
Okay. So I have just requested everyone, just mute yourself if you do not talk. When you talk, just unmute and talk. That will help. Okay. So we are in a revision of the previous class story. Real life story I have already shared with you. A Madman in a Village. This is the title of the story, and it's a real life story. It happened actually. That that could happen in 1994 in a village. And the two prime characters here, the protagonist of this story, are Mr. Kolimullah, 64, and Mrs. Parvin Akhtar, 55. They were childless and they were hopeless as well because they do not have any inheritor later on after their death. So all of a sudden, a madman appeared. Uh, if you describe the person, the man had long hair, he was wearing white cloth, and he was very tall. When he came to the village, he was hungry and unable to speak. So he went to every house, door to door, but he couldn't get any support from anybody. Later on, at the end, when he lost all his hope, he came to Kolimullah's home, and later on, Mrs. Parvin Akhtar provided her whole food to the madman, and Kolimullah also gave him the half food that he has already eaten some of them because later on he felt that the madman was not satisfied enough. Then finally they went to bed almost like hungry after drinking water. So the next day, what happened? The old man and the women, they couldn't find the madman. He was making shoes. So the man, Mr. Kolimullah, became very much surprised to see that the madman was making very good quality shoes. So later on, he became popular around the villages, and his shoes were achieving fame all around. And after 6 months, their financial condition got changed, and a rich man came and he was ordering shoe with the tiger skin, and things got very much different then. So at the end, the madman stood up with uh, excitement because he got answers of three questions after the death of the rich man. As you can understand, there are three questions in the monitor I have already shared. The three questions are: what should a man have? The Bangla is মানুষের কি থাকা উচিত? What actually does a man have? মানুষের আসলে কি আছে? And what exactly doesn't a man have? মানুষের প্রকৃতপক্ষে কি নেই? So these are the three questions he came here to find answer with, and later on he discovered the answers. by the appearance of the rich man who died in a road accident, and he didn't need to just make the shoes for him. So the first answer was, what should a man have? Manusher ki thaka uchit? Humanity, kindness, mercy, and love. So these four qualities were actually with it is missing in many people, but it was found in Mr. Kolimullah and Mrs. Parvin Akhtar. And in the second part, what actually does a man have? Manusher ashole ki ache? So people have false pride, attitude, social status, greed for money, wealth, and no respect for the inferiors. So this is the main thing. We find most of the people in the society are selfish. And the third question was, what exactly doesn't a man have? Manusher ashole ki nei? No clear idea or thought of death. So people are not aware about their death. Most of them believe that we will survive for a long time and we need to have comfort and standard lifestyle in our life. But actually, they forget that death could come anytime. So we understand from this story these things. Hopefully, this is completely clear to you. Any question from the previous class story? Do you have any question? Okay, everybody's mute. Now I'm asking, do you have any question regarding this? Do you want any support material or anything? Any recorded video, audio, or file, or anything you want from the story? Or it's enough, you understood?
No, sir, unclear.
All right. So let's come to today's class. So in today's class, we'll have a lot of sessions, near about 7 sessions. You need to concentrate really hard. We are going to the practice part directly. So at first we will read the story. I will not read, you will read, and I will let you explain it both in Bengali and English so that the story gets crystal clear to you. And later on, we will go through session 3, introduction of vocabulary and detailing words and their meaning. I will share a script with you. And session 4 will be solving session. Like I'll give you some reading task and you will solve it instantly here. Then session 5 is speaking. This content will be shared with you. There will be question and answer session. And at this session 6, I will give you a task for the next class. And I expect the writing feedback from you. What have you understood? I will understand your level of competence. And if you face any difficulty anytime, you will feel free to communicate with me. And the last session will be grammar, structure, and vocabulary revision session. So here all about this. Now let's talk about the other things that I'm going to share. Is the previous class online 7 sessions today, which I talked about. Yeah. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, these things will be given to you.
Yes.
It will be given to you as a material. So I'd like to request, first of all, Azmaul Kobir and Mahmoud Pavel. Both of you will read sentences one after another. Just go very slow and clear. It's a reading practice. Let's see. So I'd like to start with Azmaul Kobir, and then the next first 2 lines will be reading by Azmaul Kobir, and the next 2 lines will be going through by Mahmoud Pavel. All right. Can you see the full screen?
Yes, sir.
No, no, police, no police.
Let me just maximize it. Yeah, hopefully now you can see, right?
Right.
Please read from here. Azmaul Kabir.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Once upon a time, there was a lady who used to live with her grandson in an uncanny village.
Thank you.
Due to
So never say grandson, it is grandson.
grandson, yeah.
Once upon a time, there was a lady who used to live with her grandson in an uncanny village. So I will explain
Uncanny
the words
village.
later. Please
Okay.
continue.
Due to due to
Machination.
due to machination of the navy, the grandson lost
Okay.
his parents in a road accident. His grandmother didn't have the caliber to save him from all his sufferings. She used to believe, is it believe or believe?
Belie. Used to
Belie,
belie.
okay. She used to belie his parents were abroad. The
Thank you very much.
debacle.
Stop there. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to request Pavel, Mahmoud Pavel,
Yes.
to continue from the debacle.
Yes, sir. The decade of his health condition
Not
continues.
decade, the debacle.
Debacle. The debacle of his health condition continues, and his granny meets the most illustrious
Illustrious.
doctor.
Yeah,
Illustrious
illustrious
doctor who referred a name who was a
Harbinger.
harbinger physician in the whole world, and it was not facile
Facile.
facile for her to find him.
Right. Thank
On
you.
the other hand, okay.
Please stop, please. Thank you. Now I'd like to start with another participant. Kibriya Hassan and Tabassum Mim. So I'd like to start with Kibriya Hassan first.
Yes, sir.
On
Happy,
the
sir.
other hand,
On the other hand, there was a man who was hurrying to the airport and finally get into the plane. In the 11th hour, he was walking with the air hostess for his last moment in France.
thank you.
Consequently,
Stop.
thank you,
Stop.
sir.
Now coming to Tabassum Mim. Consequently,
Consequently, the air hostess considered him friendly. He managed to get a seat adversely and elided all the tendencies thoughts to remain cool, calm, and composed. At the same time, he juxtaposed his back in the fear of larceny.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Now coming to Raihan Chaudhary and Shuchibroto Bashak. Raihan Chaudhary and Shuchibroto
Yes, sir.
Bashak.
Yes,
Please start from the sky.
The sky was cloudy and the pilot found the airspace quite nebulous.
Nebulous.
Nebulous Due to bad weather, the pilots took shelter in a nearby airport on their halfway journey. The man was angry and left the airport since he required to reach his packed conference on time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
Now
you.
let's come to Shuchibroto Bashak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, then.
Then he hired a car and rushed for his destination. But the driver lost his way and got into a village beside highway as there was heavy rain and thunder. As a result, the man was yearning to go to a safe zone. He
Excellent.
found a house.
Thank you. You
Thank you,
stop,
sir.
please. Now I'd like to request Mr. Amin and Mr. Aziz to continue. I'd like to start with Mr. Amin. He found.
Okay, thank you. He found a house and entered there. He found a lady who was praying there, and after a while, she came and gave him a glass of juice, and he quaffed this and asked, "Why is she praying at this hour?"
Thank
She
you.
told
Thank
him,
you very much. Now I'd like to request Mr. Aziz to continue from she told him.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you.
Yes. Okay. She told him that Mr. Patel, the best
Neurosurgeon.
neurosurgeon, can save his grandson, who has brain tumor, and it is unfavorably impossible for her to find a doctor like him. That is why she has been praying for many months for his grandson's recovery.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I would like to go to some other participants. Sudip Chakraborty. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sudip and
I
Shami
just
Akhtar, you
joined.
will finish the part. Sudip, the man said,
So what I'll do?
yeah, there is a mark.
I joined
The
just
man-
now.
Yeah, the man,
Am I reading from the man?
yeah, the man, right.
Okay. The man said, "I'm Dr. Patel, and only because of your prayer, my flight was halfway to stopped. My car lost its way. Instead of going to the international conference, I'm in your home.
Thank
Now
you.
I believe."
Now I'd like to request Shami Akhtar to continue from now.
Yes, sir. Now I believe that there is a power of prayer and God is salutary to the helpless unless they take shelter in Him. Finally, prayer
Vanquished.
vanquished everything and garnished the life of grandson.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now let's discuss this part. Almost everybody have gone through it. So Safayat, I have got a question for you. Do you
Yes, sir.
understand the story?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. So just let me explain the story. Listen very carefully. Once upon a time, there was a lady who used to live with her grandson in an uncanny village. Uncanny means a rural, rustic, and mysterious village where very few people can live because it is a very distant place. Due to machination of the knaves, machination means conspiracy, and the knaves means the criminal. I will explain the words with Bangla as well, don't worry. Let me just retranslate, then I'll explain. The grandson lost his parents in a road accident. His grandmother didn't have caliber, it means the ability, to save him from all his sufferings. She used to belie. Belie means false representation, telling lies. She used to belie his parents were abroad. She used to say that his parents are not dead, rather, they are living abroad. The debacle, it means deterioration, failure. The debacle of his health condition continues, and his granny met the most illustrious doctor who referred a name who was a harbinger physician. Illustrious means most famous, and harbinger physician means like the pioneer, the beginner, the expert, the most experienced, the experienced physician in the whole world. And it was not facile for her to find him. Facile means easy. It was not easy for her to find him. So on the other hand, there was a man who was hurrying to the airport. So this is the first part of the story, grandson and granny. The second part of the story is a man. On the other hand, there was a man who was hurrying to the airport and finally got into the plane in the 11th hour. In the 11th hour is a phrase. It means at the last moment. He was waffling. Waffling means confusing conversation. He was waffling with the air hostess for the last moment entrance. Consequently, the air hostess considered him randy. Randy means impolite, odd, misbehaving. He managed to get a seat adversely and elided all his tendentious thoughts. Adversely means somehow, elided, it means avoided. Tendentious means purposeful, intentional. Thoughts to remain cool, calm, and composed. At the same time, he juxtaposed his bag in the fear of larceny. So juxtaposed means keeping something beside. And larceny means stealing. The sky was cloudy, and the pilot found the airspace quite nebulous. Nebulous means unclear. Due to bad weather, the pilots took the shelter in a nearby airport on their halfway journey. The man was angry, left the airport since he required to reach the pact means agreed, pact conference on time. Then he hired a car and rushed for his destination. But the driver lost his way and got into a village beside highway as there was heavy rain and thunder. As a result, the man was yearning. Yearning means a strong desire to go to a safe zone. Zone means area. He found a house and entered there. He found a lady who was praying there, and after a while, she came and gave him a glass of juice. He quaffed this. Quaff means somehow drinking. Asked why is she praying at this hour? Never say hour, it is hour. She told him that Mr. Patel, the best neurosurgeon, can save his grandson who has brain tumor, and it is unfavorably impossible for her to find a doctor like him. That is why she has been praying for many months for his grandson's recovery. The man said, I am Dr. Patel, and only because of your prayer, my flight was halfway stopped and my car lost its way. Instead of going to the international conference, I'm in your home. Now I believe that there is a power of prayer and God is salutary. Salutary means beneficial. Salutary to the helpless unless they take shelter in him. Finally, prayer vanquished. It means win over, conquer everything, and garnished. It means organize the life of the grandson. So let me just give you the words now. Then I'll come to the Bangla part of the story. So here is a word. I will share this script with you. Adversely means unfavorably. Belie, It means false representation. I told you. Caliber means ability. Debacle means defeat or failure. Elide means omit, avoid. Garnish, arrange. Harbinger, it means pioneer. So let me tell you the Bangla words. Adversely means birup bhabe. Birup bhabe. You can note it down. Adversely means just write down birup bhabe. Then you will not forget it. Adversely means birup bhabe. Bilai, it means mithya pradoshon. Bilai means mithya pradoshon. Third
So
word
should I
is
write it or you give us later then?
bilai means mithya pradoshon, falsify. I'm just telling you the word meaning according to the story's context. It is not dictionary meaning. Meaning according to the context. Remember, one word could have maximum 10 meanings. So caliber means ability. Caliber means যোগ্যতা, দক্ষতা, ক্ষমতা. Caliber means any word you could write. যোগ্যতা, দক্ষতা, ক্ষমতা. Next word is debacle. Debacle means পরাজয়, ব্যর্থতা, অবনতি. পরাজয়, ব্যর্থতা, অবনতি. It's a negative word. Next word is elide. Elide means বাদ দেয়া, avoid. Garnish. Garnish, it means সাজানো বা গুছানো. Garnish, it means সাজানো বা গুছানো. Harbinger, পথ প্রদর্শক. Harbinger means পথ প্রদর্শক বা অগ্রদূত. অগ্রদূত বা পথ প্রদর্শক. These are the 7 words first. Then coming to nebulous. Nebulous means ঝাপসা. Unclear, ঝাপসা. Then Xerox, it means copy. Xerox, remember the pronunciation will be Xerox, copy. Never say photocopy, it means Xerox. There is no word in the dictionary called photocopy. So Xerox is the correct word. Yearn, it means having a strong desire. Akankha. Yearn means akankha, tibro akankha. Zone, it means অঞ্চল. Obesi, it means স্থূলতা. Pact, it means চুক্তি. Pact, it means চুক্তি. Quaff, গলাধঃকরণ করা. Quaff means গলাধঃকরণ করা. Now my question to you, have you written all these words?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please note them down,
Perfect
otherwise you will forget it.
Hello.
Because you will not be
Perfect
able to
means-
match these words with the dictionary.
Hello, sir.
So pact means,
Could you tell me office means?
Pact means chukti.
sorry,
Office.
Chukti. Chukti.
jukti, agreement.
Chukti.
Chukti.
Okay, sir.
Sir, office means
Then
office.
quaff. Quaff means গলাধঃকরণ করা. গলাধঃকরণ করা.
Sir, office means office.
Okay. So coming to the next part, there are a few words. Then illustrious. জনপ্রিয় এবং বিখ্যাত. Illustrious means জনপ্রিয় এবং বিখ্যাত. জনপ্রিয় এবং বিখ্যাত. Juxtapose, পাশাপাশি স্থাপন করা. Juxtapose means পাশাপাশি স্থাপন করা. Juxtapose, পাশাপাশি স্থাপন করা. Knave, ভণ্ড বা প্রতারক. Knave means bhondo ba protarok. So I would like to teach you another word. It is called knife. N-A-I-V-E. N-A-I-V-E, knife. Knife means like সহজ সরল, innocent. And this knave means ভণ্ড বা প্রতারক. Remember, don't get mixed up. Knife means সহজ সরল and knave means ভণ্ড বা প্রতারক. Next word is larceny. Larceny. Larceny means চুরি করা. Larceny, চুরি. Facile. Facile means সহজলভ্য. Facile means সহজলভ্য. Next word, machination. Machination. Machination means ষড়যন্ত্র. Machination means ষড়যন্ত্র. There is a synonymous word given beside. Now, next word is randy. Randy means অভদ্র, অমার্জিত. You could just write down অভদ্র. Randy means অভদ্র. Salutary. উপকারী. Salutary. উপকারী. Next word is tendencies. Tendencies. উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত. Tendencies means উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত. উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত. Next word, uncanny. রহস্যময় এবং প্রাচীন. রহস্যময় এবং প্রাচীন. Mysterious. Vanquish. জয়লাভ করা. Vanquish means জয়লাভ করা. Last word, W. Waffle. Waffle means দ্বিধান্বিত কথা. দ্বিধান্বিত কথা.
vanquishটাকে জয়লাভ করা না?
Any word you didn't understand?
Vanquish.
Vanquish means জয়লাভ করা. Waffles means বক বক করা অথবা দ্বিধান্বিত বাক্য, দ্বিধান্বিত কথা.
Sir, can you go to the previous page?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which word you didn't understand?
So adversely টা কি?
Adversely, বিরূপ ভাবে. বিরূপ ভাবে.
Sir, obviously, obviously means sir, obviously means একটু kindly obviously.
The sound is not clear.
Sir, বিলাইটা কি মিথ্যা?
বিলাই, মিথ্যা প্রদর্শন করা.
Sir, obviously, obviously.
Obese. Obese.
Obvious, obvious.
Obese means
Obese,
fat.
fat,
Mota,
fat.
mota, mota, mota.
Obesity. Obesity means স্থূলতা. Mota is a very negative word actually. If you say স্থূলতা, it sounds
Stulata,
better.
yeah, but stulata is
Negative word.
critical to remember. Yeah, hard to remember. Stulata.
Sir, can you please say yarn? Yarn. What is the meaning of yarn?
Yearning. Yearning means তীব্র আকাঙ্ক্ষা.
Okay, sir. তীব্র আকাঙ্ক্ষা. I get it.
Sir, debacle টা?
Debacle অবনতি.
Debacle means complete failure, as far I know.
Yeah, it is complete failure, but in this context, it is অবনতি.
Avanoti, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
One word could have maximum 10 different meaning according to the context, remember. And the best dictionary is Oxford Dictionary, where you will everything is explained. Okay. Now I will ask you, and you have to tell me the Bangla lines now. The story is almost clear. The name of the story is Power of Prayer. Power of Prayer. So I'd like to request the first participant, Shafayat.
Yes, sir.
Once upon a time, there was a lady who used to live with her grandson in an uncanny village. What is the Bangla of this line?
একদা এক সময় এক বৃদ্ধ মহিলা এবং তার নাতিকে নিয়ে একটি রহস্য ঘেরা গ্রামে বসবাস করত।
Right. Due to machination of the names. What is the meaning?
Due to machination of the names, প্রতারকের ষড়যন্ত্রে,
Right. The grandson lost his parents in a road accident.
Yes, sir. সে তার একটি রোড অ্যাক্সিডেন্টে সে তার নাতিকে হারিয়ে ফেলে।
Right. Thank you. Now coming to Al Mamun Raj.
Okay.
Hello.
His grandmother didn't have the caliber to save him from all his suffering.
তার হচ্ছে দাদি এটাকে মেনে নিতে পারছে না, মানে সাফার করতে পারছে না।
Okay, it means his grandmother does not have the ability.
Right. তার মানে সাফার করার ক্ষমতাটা তার ভিতরে নাই, মানে সহ্য করার আর কি।
Okay. She used to belie his parents were abroad.
সে মিথ্যা আরোপ করছিল যে তার ফাদার বাইরে আছে আর কি, মানে বাবা বাইরে আছে।
Right. She used to say that the parents are living abroad. Okay, thank you very much. Now coming to another participant. Nargis Akhtar. Madam, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please tell us the Bangla of this. The debacle of his health condition continues and his okay. Just the debacle of his health condition continues. What is the Bangla?
The debacle of his health condition continuous. His
just debacle. What is the meaning of debacle?
পরাজয় বা ব্যর্থতা, মানে
Here অবনতি health condition. Did you understand? The debacle of his health condition continues and his granny met the most illustrious doctor who referred a name who was a harbinger physician in the whole world. Madam, কি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
Yes, sir. আমি আনমিউট হয়ে গেছিলাম।
আচ্ছা, আমি আপনাকে হেল্প করি। The debacle of his health condition continues. তার স্বাস্থ্যের অবনতি হতে থাকে, নাতির স্বাস্থ্যের অবনতি হতে থাকে, and his granny met the most illustrious doctor.
এবং তার দাদি একজন নামকরা ডাক্তারের সঙ্গে দেখা করেন।
No, referred a name.
ও রেফার্ড মানে নামকরা ডাক্তারের কাছে রেফার করা হয় আর কি।
Right. Who was a harbinger physician. যে হচ্ছে
খুব
একজন অগ্রদূত
সম্পন্ন এবং বিখ্যাত আহ, ডাক্তার আর কি ফিজিশিয়ান মানে
ইন দ্য হোল ওয়ার্ল্ড, সারা বিশ্বে ওনার
সারা
ওনার
বিশ্বে খুব
পজিশন হচ্ছে
নামডাক।
1 নম্বরে।
হ্যাঁ
ইট
The
ওয়াজ নট
harbinger
ফ্যাসাইল
means-
ফর হার টু ফাইন্ড হিম, তাকে পাওয়া
তার পক্ষে
তার
খুব
পক্ষে
সহজ ছিল
সহজ
না।
নয়। রাইট, থ্যাংক ইউ।
The harbinger শব্দটা
ফ্যাসাইল মিন্স সহজ, সহজলভ্য।
harbinger
হারবিঞ্জার মিন্স অগ্রদূত,
Pioneer.
pioneer, yes. Now coming to Mr. Sudeep.
Sir.
Mr. Sudeep,
sir
yeah, please explain. On the other hand,
অন্যদিকে তার there was a man
who was hurrying to the airport.
অন্যদিকে আরেকজন মানুষ যে মানে এয়ারপোর্টের জন্য দেরি হচ্ছিল,
তাড়াহুড়ো করছিলেন।
করছিলেন এবং
Finally got
অবশেষে
into the 11th hour.
অবশেষে সে শেষ মুহূর্তে গিয়ে পৌঁছায়।
Right. শেষ মুহূর্তে সে বিমানে উঠে বসে। He was waffling with the air hostess for his last moment entrance.
So waffling টা
বক বক করা অথবা দ্বিধান্বিত বাক্য প্রয়োগ করা।
স্যার এখানের মধ্যে স্যার এখানে যদি একটা সিমিলার ওয়ার্ড থাকতে পারে যে কি মানে বাংলাতে বাকবিতণ্ডা, এটা কি হবে?
সরি,
বাকবিতণ্ডা মানে ওয়াফলিং, বাকবিতণ্ডা।
Yeah, right, it is also correct. Bakbitonda is also correct, but he was waffling with the air hostess for his last moment entrance.
মানে শেষ পর্যায়ে ঢোকার কারণে এয়ার হোস্টেসের সাথে মানে তর্কে জড়িয়ে পড়ে।
বিমানবালার সাথে
তর্কে জড়িয়ে পড়ে,
দ্বিধান্বিত কথাবার্তা বলে ফেলে। Thank you. Now I'm coming to Kibriya. Consequently, the air hostess considered him randy.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Consequently,
Excuse
the
me,
air
sir.
hostess considered him randy.
Randy, what's the mean?
অভদ্র।
Okay, sir.
Consequently, the air hostess বিমানবালা considered his randy. Air hostess considered
এয়ার হোস্টেস তাকে মানে বিমানবালা তাকে অভদ্র হিসেবে গণ্য করলেন। He managed to get a seat adversely.
He managed to get a seat adversely. He managed to get সে পেল seat.
Adversely means বিরূপভাবে।
বিরূপভাবে একটা সিট পেল।
সে বিরূপভাবে একটি আসন পেতে সক্ষম হলেন। Right. Elided all his tendentious thoughts to remain cool, calm, and composed. Elided means বাদ দেয়া, and tendentious means উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত চিন্তা।
Elided all his tendentious thoughts, তার উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত চিন্তা বাদ দিলেন। To remain cool, calm, and composed.
তিনি তার উদ্দেশ্য প্রণোদিত সব রাগ বা চিন্তা বাদ দিলেন যাতে তিনি ধীর, স্থির এবং শান্ত, গুছালো থাকতে পারেন। At the same time, he juxtaposed his back in the fear of larceny.
At the same time, একই মুহূর্তে বা সেই সময় he juxtaposed পাশাপাশি
স্থাপন করা
his back in the fear of larceny. The larceny means
চুরি করা।
His bag in the fear of larceny.
তার ব্যাগটি পাশাপাশি রাখলেন যা এই ভয়ে যে যদি এটা চুরি হয়ে যায়।
জি স্যার।
Thank you. Now coming to another participant. There is no name. AGR20210. Who is that? Please unmute and talk.
Sir, I am Rashidul Alam.
Yeah. What's your name?
Rashidul Alam.
Sound is very unclear.
I am Rashidul Alam. Clear?
The sound is still not coming. Okay, mute yourself. Now,
Okay,
I'd like to
I'm
request.
muted. Hello.
Yeah,
Now clear?
yeah. Still the sound is very low. Okay,
Sir,
I'm coming to Azmaul Kabir. The sky was cloudy. Read from here.
আকাশ অনেক মেঘাচ্ছন্ন ছিল এবং
Excellent.
এবং বৈমানিক আকাশপথ অনেক অস্পষ্ট পেল।
Excellent, excellent. Then, due to bad weather.
খারাপ আবহাওয়ার কারণে বৈমানিক এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে নিকটবর্তী এয়ারপোর্ট থেকে কিছু অর্ধেক পথ পার হয়ে আশ্রয় নিতে বাধ্য হলেন।
Right. Thank you. Nice. Now, I'd like to request Tabassum Mim. The man was angry and left the airport since he required to reach his PAC conference on time.
লোকটি রেগে গেল এবং এয়ারপোর্ট ত্যাগ করলো যখন থেকে সে তার প্রেস কনফারেন্সের জন্য টাইমে পৌঁছতে পারছিল না।
Right. Then he
Then
hired
he hired a car and rushed for his destination. তারপরে তিনি একটি গাড়ি বুক করলেন এবং তার ডেস্টিনেশন
নির্দিষ্ট গন্তব্যে পৌঁছানোর
নির্দিষ্ট গন্তব্যে পৌঁছানোর জন্য বেরিয়ে পড়লেন।
Right.
But
The
the driver lost his way and got into a village. কিন্তু ভুলবশত ড্রাইভারটি তারপর গ্রামের মধ্যে চলে গেলেন। পথ হারিয়ে একটি গ্রামের মধ্যে চলে গেলেন। Into a village beside highway as there was a heavy rain and thunder.
ওখানে ব্যাপক বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল এবং বজ্রপাত হচ্ছিল।
সেই কারণে সে
Okay, thank you. Now coming to Mr. Rashidul Alam.
Yes, sir, now clear.
Yeah.
Sir, actually I have a load shedding problem, so I have to change my device.
Read from here. As a result, the man was yearning to go to a safe zone.
যার ফলে মানুষটি একটি নিরাপদ স্থানে যাওয়ার জন্য সিদ্ধান্ত নিল বা আকাঙ্ক্ষা প্রকাশ করলো, ইচ্ছা প্রকাশ করলো।
Right. He found a house and entered there.
সে একটি ঘর পেল এবং সেখানে প্রবেশ করলো। সেখানে উনি দেখলো
একজন praying there, and after a while she came and gave him a glass of juice.
হ্যাঁ, ওখানে একটা মহিলা পেল যিনি ইবাদত করছিলেন, উনি প্রার্থনা করছিলেন এবং যাই হোক সে ওনাকে একটা গ্লাস অফ জুস দিলেন এবং সে কোনোভাবে এটা খেয়ে নিলেন এবং তিনি জিজ্ঞেস করলেন উনি কেন প্রার্থনা করছে এবং মহিলাটি জানালেন সে একজন ডাক্তারের জন্য, একজন নিউরোসার্জনের জন্য।
He told him that Mr. Patel, the best neurosurgeon, can save his grandson.
Yes, he Patel, Dr. Patelের জন্য করছেন।
হ্যাঁ, তার গ্র্যান্ডসনকে একমাত্র বাঁচাতে পারে। The grandson is brain tumor. Right.
Brain tumor.
Thank you very much. Now I'd like to request Shochibroto Bashak. It is unfavorably impossible. Shochibroto Bashak, can you hear me? We are almost at the end of the story. Okay. Probably. Okay, Mr. Aziz, can you hear me?
I'm hearing you. Okay, sir. From
Please,
where?
explain it. It is unfavorably impossible for her to find a doctor like him.
Sorry, sir. She told him, sir.
এটি অব্যক্তভাবে অসম্ভব ছিল।
Sir, I'm from. She told him that Mr.
Unfavorably
Patel.
impossible for her to find a doctor like him. তার পক্ষে এমন
Yes,
একজন
yes, yes.
ডাক্তার পাওয়া অসম্ভব ছিল।
Yes, that is
That is
why
why
she.
he has
That is
been
why
praying for many months
she.
for his
উনি
grandson.
প্রার্থনা করছিল যে কিছু সময়ের জন্য বা কয়েক মাস ধরে পর তার নাতির রিকভারির জন্য কোন একজন ভালো ডাক্তারের আশায়।
Grandson's recovery, অর্থাৎ তার নাতির আরোগ্য লাভের জন্য সে প্রার্থনা করছিল অনেক মাস ধরে।
প্রার্থনা করছিল।
Right.
The-
Now I'd
the
like to
man-
request Raihan Chaudhary. Can you unmute and talk?
Sir, the man said, I am Dr. Patel. লোকটি বলল আমি ডক্টর পাটেল এবং আমি মাঝপথেই যাত্রাটি বিরতি হয়ে গেল আপনার প্রার্থনার কারণেই, এবং আমি আমার গাড়িটিও তার রাস্তা হারিয়ে ফেললো, এবং আমি আন্তর্জাতিক যে আমার কনফারেন্সটি ছিল সেটাতেও আমি যেতে পারলাম না। আই এম ইন ইউর, এবং এই কারণে আমি আপনার এই কারণে আমি আপনার বাসায়। নাও আই বিলিভ দ্যাট দেয়ার ইজ এ পাওয়ার, এবং এটাই হচ্ছে প্রার্থনার ক্ষমতা এবং এই আল্লাহর মানে
Right. Now I believe that there is a power of prayer. আমি এটা বিশ্বাস করি যে প্রার্থনার শক্তি আছে, and God is salutary to the helpless. স্রষ্টা অসহায় মানুষের পাশে দাঁড়ায়, unless they take shelter in him. Finally, prayer vanquished everything. প্রার্থনা সবকিছু ছাড়িয়ে জয়লাভ করলো, and garnished the life of the grandson. এবং যে নাতি ছিল গল্পে তার জীবনটা গুছিয়ে দিল, সাজিয়ে দিল, তাকে রক্ষা করা হলো। So in this story, the story is clear, right? Still, I'm telling you the story. অনেক দিন আগে একটি গ্রামে একজন বৃদ্ধা মহিলা বাস করতেন, যার নাতি ছিল। ওই বৃদ্ধা মহিলার ছেলে এবং ছেলের বউ দুজনকেই ষড়যন্ত্রকারীরা কোন একটি সড়ক দুর্ঘটনায় ফেলে হত্যা করে। তাদের সম্পত্তি ছিল অনেক। এরপর দাদি একটা সমস্যায় পড়ে যায়। তার যে নাতি ছিল সে অসুস্থ ছিল, তার চিকিৎসা করা তার পক্ষে অনেক ব্যয়বহুল এবং কষ্টসাধ্য ছিল। সে তার নাতিকে এই বলে সান্ত্বনা দিত যে তার বাবা মা বিদেশে থাকে। এরপরে তার স্বাস্থ্যের অবনতি হতে থাকে এবং তিনি সবচেয়ে ভালো ডাক্তার দেখান। ডাক্তার এমন একজন ডাক্তারের নাম বলেন যিনি ছিলেন চিকিৎসা বিজ্ঞানের অগ্রদূত। ওই ডাক্তারই তাকে একমাত্র বাঁচাতে পারবে, যেটা ওই বৃদ্ধা মহিলার পক্ষে অসম্ভব ছিল। এরপর দ্বিতীয় অংশে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি একজন ব্যক্তি তাড়াহুড়ো করে বিমানবন্দরে প্রবেশ করে এবং সে একটা পর্যায়ে বিমানে বসে পড়ে এবং এয়ার হোস্টেসের সাথে কিছুটা কথা কনফিউজিং কথাবার্তা বলে ফেলে। সে তার ব্যাগটি রাখে তার পাশে, সে বিভিন্ন চিন্তায় মগ্ন থাকে, যেহেতু তার তাড়াহুড়ো করে পৌঁছতে হচ্ছে একটা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কনফারেন্সে। পথিমধ্যে দেখা যায় আকাশ ছিল অসম্ভব মেঘলা এবং প্রচুর বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল, যার ফলে বিমান যদিও যাত্রা শুরু করেছিল, অর্ধেক পথে তারা আরেকটি বিমানবন্দরে গিয়ে আশ্রয় নেয়। ওই সময় ওই ব্যক্তিটি ক্ষিপ্ত হয়ে এয়ারপোর্ট ছেড়ে বাইরে একটি কার নিয়ে তাড়াহুড়ো করে সে বেরিয়ে যেতে চেষ্টা করে। পথিমধ্যে যিনি ক্যাব ড্রাইভার ছিলেন তিনি পথ হারিয়ে ফেলেন। তিনি দেখতে পাচ্ছিলেন না কোনো কিছু, এত বেশি বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল, বজ্রপাত হচ্ছিল। এরপর তারা দুজনেই একটি নির্দিষ্ট পাশে একটি ছোট বাড়ি দেখতে পান ও বাড়িতে গিয়ে তারা আশ্রয় নেন এবং ওখানে একজন বৃদ্ধা মহিলা তিনি প্রার্থনা করছিলেন। কিছুক্ষণ পর এসে তিনি এক গ্লাস জুস খেতে দিলেন। ওখানে যে ব্যক্তিটি ছিলেন ওই ব্যক্তিটি আসলে ডক্টর প্যাটেল, যাকে তিনি খুঁজছিলেন অনেক দিন ধরে, যার অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট পাওয়াটা অসম্ভব ছিল। এবং ডাক্তার প্যাটেলকে তার সমস্যার কথা সবকিছু তিনি বলেন এবং ডাক্তার প্যাটেল এটি ভেবে অবাক হয়ে যান যে আমার ফ্লাইট হাফওয়েতে ক্যান্সেল হলো, আমার জার্নি হাফওয়েতে, কার জার্নি ছিল হাফওয়েতে স্টপ হলো এবং আমার ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কনফারেন্সে যাওয়ার পরিবর্তে আমি একজন পেশেন্টের বাসায়। তো এই বিষয়টি তার কাছে একদম পরিষ্কার হয়ে গেল যে আসলে ঈশ্বর চাইলে যে কোনো কিছুই সম্ভব। This is the story. Actually, I explained it in Bengali for you and I explained all the words. Now, coming to the task, reading task. So I'd like to ask Shammi Akhtar first. You have to tell me what is the sentence, whether it is true or false or not given.
Yes, sir.
The physician knew that he could not attend the meeting due to bad weather. Is it true, false, or not given?
True.
Shammi Akhtar.
True. Hello.
Okay, I'll tell you the answer actually. Just think. The physician knew that he could not attend the meeting due to bad weather.
Yes, sir. It's true.
যিনি চিকিৎসক ছিলেন তিনি জানতেন যে তিনি তার সম্মেলনটিতে উপস্থিত হতে পারবেন না খারাপ আবহাওয়ার কারণে।
Yes, sir. It's true.
No.
Hello.
It's false.
It's not true. It is false because
False.
yeah, he tried a lot to reach the conference, but due to bad weather, he cannot go. But he didn't know it earlier.
Oh,
Now,
yes, yes.
Mahmoud Pavel. The old lady was praying to God so that Dr. Patel might come to visit her. True or false? Mahmoud Pavel, can you hear me? True.
I think it should be not given.
Exactly. The old lady was praying to God so that Dr. Patel might come to. Actually, the old lady was praying to God so that she could save her grandson. But there is no reference of Dr. Patel could come to her house. She did not pray like that. So it was not given. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now coming to Shochi Broto, can you hear me? Shochi Broto. Okay. No response. Shochi Broto, can you hear me? Okay. Now,
Shochi Brata has sent a message, so he has a mic issue.
Oh my goodness. Sorry. Now I'm coming to Raihan Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
The grandson has obesity deficiency and brain disorder. True or false?
Yes. It's brain tumor. Yes.
True or false, Raihan Chaudhary?
True, sir.
I think you are wrong.
Because he has
Obesity deficiency means it's physical problem, and brain disorder means abnormal behavior. So, but he has brain tumor. So
Brain
the
tumors.
answer is false.
Yes, false.
Okay. Now I'm coming to Rashidul Alam. The car driver
Yes.
intentionally lost his way just to help the lady.
False.
Absolutely false. Thank you. Thank you.
He lost the way for rain and thunder.
Yeah, unintentionally because he cannot see. Now I'm coming to Azmaul Kabir.
Yes.
The air hostess considered the man in the aircraft as vulgar passenger.
What would be
True
the
or
meaning
false?
of vulgar here?
Sorry?
What would be the meaning of vulgar? Vulgar here?
Yeah, vulgar means, you see,
Randy, the word
Randy.
Randy.
Yeah,
Yes,
word Randy.
not a good person. Good passenger.
True
Bad
or
person.
false? True or false? Azmal Kobir.
True.
Yeah, it's true.
True.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because the air hostess considered the man very much randy. It was directly referred. Now, before I go to the speaking session, this is the writing task for you for the next class. It is assignment. It is imaginary writing. Look at this. What might happen to the parents of the grandson? In the story, I didn't tell you. নাতি যে ছিল গল্পে তার বাবা মার কি ঘটনা কি দুর্ঘটনা বা কি হয়ে থাকতে পারে why was the grandmother unable to treat the grandson কেন গল্পের দাদি নাতির কেন চিকিৎসা করাতে ব্যর্থ হচ্ছেন কেন write at least 150 words for your answer by reading the text so this is like creative writing you have to write down 150 words and this is an assignment for you for the next class. Next class will take place on Sunday.
Sir, the first
Only
question could, sir, hello.
2 point.
Yeah,
Sir, can you hear me? Sir, I
yeah,
have
I
a
can
question.
hear you.
Sir, the first question could be a story. Is it?
What might happen to the parents of the grandson?
Yes, sir.
Grandson অর্থাৎ নাতি যে ছিল গল্পে তার বাবা মার কি দুর্ঘটনা হয়ে থাকতে পারে
সেটা কি আমি একটা মানে স্টোরির মতো মানে নিশ্চিত ক্রিয়েটিভিটি দেখায় একটা
you can imagine and create your own ideas.
Okay, sir. That's great.
And next question is why was the grandmother unable to treat the grandson? This is easy.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. So it will be 150 words.
There is 2 questions, sir.
Sorry? I didn't.
There is 2 questions.
Yeah, there are 2 questions. You'll have to just mingle it as a complete idea. You have to just write down 150 words minimum.
Yeah.
It is like a like IELTS writing task 1. It's like paragraph writing. এর মানে হচ্ছে এই দুটো প্রশ্নের আপনারা উত্তর দিয়ে 150 ওয়ার্ডের মধ্যে কিছু একটা কনসেপ্ট দাঁড় করাবেন রাইটিং প্র্যাকটিসটা হয়ে যাবে এবং ক্রিয়েটিভ যে ক্রিটিক্যাল রিজনিং যে বিষয়টা থাকে ওটা আপনাদের প্র্যাকটিস হবে
স্যার এটা কি আমরা ওয়ার্ডে টাইপ করে দেব
yeah you have to type it in the word file and share it with me basically in the group you can share in WhatsApp group you can share and if you face any problem you can discuss with me okay now let's come to speaking questions okay I'd like to start with Shafayat.
Yes, sir.
First question to you. What happened to the driver on the way?
The driver lose his right way. He turned into a wrong way, and I think
The driver lost his way.
yes, sir.
Because why did he lose the way?
Because the weather is too bad.
Are you
The main
sure?
reason is weather. I think
Actually
there could
it
be
is not due to the bad weather. It was because he cannot see the front road. It was so heavy downpour that everything was hazy, unclear in the road. Therefore he lost his way. Okay, Thank you
Yes, sir.
very much. Now I'm coming to Sudeep Chakraborty.
Sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next question is, who was praying to God day and night?
The granny. The
Granny was praying to God day and night.
to God.
Can you explain why?
Because his grandson is severe sick.
Right. Okay, then. So now coming to the next. Yeah, Nargis Akhtar, madam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened to the grandson? Very easy question.
Grandson, um, grandson suffer from his brain tumor.
Excellent, excellent. Grandson has been suffering from brain tumor.
Brain tumor.
Right, excellent. Thank you very much. Now I'm coming to Aminur Rahman. Aminur Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Who was the man on the plane?
Mr. Patel, the physician, the harbinger of neuromedicine in the world, the most famous person.
Right, absolutely correct answer. Thank you very much. Now coming to Shammi Akhtar. Can you hear me?
What did the earpiece?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did the air hostess and the man face difficulty in having conversation? Why did the air hostess and the man face difficulty in having conversation?
Because Mr. Patel waffling so much, and the air hostess considered him as a
Okay, you are absolutely in the track, but you could say like this, because when a passenger entered into the aeroplane at the last
the
moment,
air hostess and the
yeah, the man entered the aeroplane at the last moment, and there was a seating arrangement difficulty, and the behavior of the man was not up to the mark to the air hostess. The air hostess considered the man a little rough. That's why they had difficulty in having conversation. All right, thank you. Now let's move on to the next part. Look at this, there will be a listening test. I will share an audio with you. You will listen to the audio all by yourself and answer these 5 questions. Before I do that, I would like to explain some grammar elements. Okay. We are almost at the end. So look at this grammar element, which is extremely important. Rule number 1. Everybody know this. You need to know it. And you must help me just solving the problems. So rule number 1 is, when there is singular subject, there will be singular verb, and when there is plural subject, there will be plural verb automatically. And in case of there, singular subject comes after there is a gap, then singular subject. And when there is plural subject, after there, in between, you understand. Suppose there is a bag, there are 2 balls. So this is plural subject, and there is a bag is a singular subject. So this is the first rule. When there is singular subject, there will be verb will be singular. When there is plural subject, verb will be plural. but it is very difficult to identify whether the subject is plural or singular. So let's focus on the first one. The umbrellas on the table dash very gorgeous, which she find interesting. Now I'd like to request Sapphire. I'd like to start with Sapphire.
Yes, sir.
Solve it.
The umbrellas on the table are very gorgeous, which
Right.
she found, interesting.
Look at this. It should not be found. It should be finds. Because
Finds. Yes, sir.
there is no time.
The-
It means it is present tense. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Now I'd like to request Rashidul Alam to solve the second one. Rule number 1. There dash 2 books in the desk last night.
There are 2 books in the desk last night.
Are you sure? There
There are 2 books.
not are. There were. There were 2 books in the desk last night. Last night means past simple,
Okay.
past indefinite, tense marker. That's why it will be there were 2 books in the desk last night. Thank you very much. Now coming to Raihan Chaudhary.
Sir,
There dash a book which told us about life.
there
is a book.
there is a book.
There was a book because it is referring to past tense. Told us.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Now coming to the second rule. Can you see the second rule? Preposition will always take verb plus ing. Preposition will always take verb plus ing. Any preposition. So let's work on it. So I'd like to request Shrudeep to solve both the exercises.
Notice shadow. He was not thinking.
Read.
Sir,
While Shrudeep,
yes, sir.
while
Why, uh,
while leave the car, I noticed the shadow.
While you.
Definitely it will be
while
while leaving.
leaving the
Leaving.
car, I noticed a shadow.
Shadow. Then he was not thinking of.
He was not thinking of making money.
Right. Thank you very much. Now coming to rule number 3. The 2 will always take verb 1, but in some cases they will take verb plus ing. So what is the case? Let's just practice it. Pavel Mahmood, please come to exercise number 3. Most often 2 takes verb 1, but in some cases it will take verb plus ing. Solve it.
Plus and
Myanmar government wants to
prove
that the
Myanmar government wants to prove.
Yeah, it will be proof.
Proof.
Wants to
Yes.
prove.
Prove the Rohingyas are criminal.
Okay, Bangladesh army fights.
The Bangladesh fights against drug dealer which with a view to killing them.
Excellent. There are some phrases like looking forward to, with a view to. There are some phrases like that. Used to, get used to. They will take ing form, but other normal verbs will take to, and then it will be just verb 1. It means base form of the verb. Thank you.
স্যার এখানে কি
Now-
টু প্রুভিং হবে?
Sorry. Yeah, with
Myanmar
a view to-
government wants to proving that
It is not
Rohingyas
proving.
are-
It will be 2 plus wants to prove.
wants to prove.
Yeah, want will always take 2. Want to prove. But here with a view to killing. Okay. Now the most important rule, rule number 4. The most important rule. Remember, this is very interesting because after verb, there is article, adverb, adjective, and noun. This is the most important rule in English. Okay. Now let's come to this. The man has been a quiet dash dealer. It will be adjective. I'd like to request Tabassum Mim. Tabassum Mim.
Yes, sir.
The man has been a quiet dash dealer.
Successful dealer.
Right. And Bangladesh is not a completely.
Bangladesh is not a completely prosperous country.
Bangladesh is not a completely.
Prosperous country.
No. Poverty is the noun form and poor is the
Poor.
adjective form. It will be poor country.
Sir, I have an objection about the last sentence. Bangladesh is not a completely poor country. A country never be poor. A country never be poor. A person can be poor, but a country never be poor.
Bangladesh is not a completely poor country. For the context part,
You can say poverty prone country, but you cannot say poor country.
yeah, I understand, but poor is adjective. You understand?
Okay, but yeah, for
Poverty
the
is noun.
uses, yeah. So yeah, I learned it from a professor Unikura from the Japan. So I wrote this sentence. So he opposed.
Correct, I understand.
yes.
Let me tell you why. It is called cohesive mistake. Cohesive mistake. But this word will be applicable here because it is not referring to the total. You see, when according to the structure, it is not referring directly to the Bangladesh. It is not referring to the country, rather the condition of the country. It is referring to the condition of the country. That's why it is acceptable. And in modern grammar, it is true that people could be poor, not the country. Country is inanimate object. It is true. But we are referring here not the country, rather the condition of the country as adjective, because adjective is a qualifying word. It talks about the quality. So it is talking about the condition of the country. As a result, Bangladesh is not a completely poor country is absolutely correct here in this context.
I'm saying this is correct, but we should not use like this. It is correct. It is correct. There is
Right.
no
We
wrong.
should not use anything like this because of the fact that we should not disrespect our country. It is true. But if you look at the meaning of the sentence, Bangladesh is not a completely poor country. This sentence has been taken from a very old book. At that time, the condition was not better, probably. That's why this sentence has been taken. So thank you for your ideas, actually. Thank you for the argument as well. And you
Sir,
are
I
actually,
have a question.
yeah.
প্রথম বাক্যটায় আমরা দেখছি যে সাকসেসকে আমরা অ্যাডজেক্টিভ করছি সাকসেসফুল দিয়ে, এন্ড সেকেন্ড ওয়ার্ডটায় প্রভার্টি, আমি তো ভাবছি প্রভার্টিকে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ করতে হবে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই এখন প্রভার্টির বদলে আমরা পোর আনলাম। এই জিনিসটা
Yeah, you need to know the rule actually. There is word formation rule. Okay, let me just tell you one. Suppose decision is a noun, decide is a verb, decisive is adjective,
yes sir,
decisive, So you need to learn it. Without learning it, it is not possible. Then decisively, this is adverb. So if you do not know it, you cannot apply it. Suppose if there is any sentence with this, you have to learn that decisive is adjective. That is really very important actually. I will conduct a session on that. I'll just discuss about decision, decide, decisively, all those things I will discuss. I will teach you in one class word formation rules. Now let's come to rule number 5.
একটা মিনিট স্যার, এখানে আমরা যদি বলি লাভলি, এটা তো অ্যাডজেক্টিভও হয়, তাই না?
In case of poverty?
নো স্যার, মানে অন্য একটা ওয়ার্ড বললাম যে লাভলি, এখানে এটা তো অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। লাভ LOVELY, lovely.
Yeah, lovely. Yeah, lovely is definitely adjective. And all LOI is not adjective, and all LOI is not adverb. Suppose fatherly, motherly, these are adjective. On the other hand, perfectly, greatly, these are adverb. So one thing is very interesting is that when there is adjective and then plus LOI, it is always adverb.
Yes, sir. I know that.
We'll discuss about it because this is very interesting topic. We'll discuss about it. Okay, let's come to 5. Another one, article plus noun. So noun, after article there is always noun. And look at this, the plus noun or verb, it will take ing and then of. So look at this example. The necessity of dash is important for leading a good life. Now I'd like to ask Aminur Rahman to answer this. The necessity of dash is important for leading a good life.
The necessity of money making is important for leading a good life.
Right. The necessity of money making.
Yes.
Following the rule. Noun and verb plus ing. The necessity of money making is important for leading a good life. Here, money making is very interestingly a chunk. Okay. The role of dash.
The role of working hard in the society is indispensable.
Now, I'd like to come to Tabassum Mim. Rule number 6. Modals will take always the base form of the verb. Please explain all. It may. Definitely, it will be always verb 1.
Rain tonight.
Yeah. And you ought to.
You ought to fight.
Can you tell me? What is the meaning of ought to?
I don't know.
Okay, let me talk about it. Ought to means should. Same meaning.
Uchit.
Yeah, uchit. And had better. Same meaning. Had better. Learn English. These had better, it is a modal auxiliary, and these had better usually is very confusing for the beginning learners, the learners who are beginners. Okay. Now let's come to rule number 7. While will always take verb plus ing. While will always take verb plus ing. So I'd like to request Rashidul Alam to complete it. Rule number 7.
While walking, I saw a dead cow. Hello?
Dead cow. আমি হেঁটে যেতে মরা গরু দেখেছি. This is a very interesting sentence. Then
While speaking English, you must be accurate.
accurate. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now look at this example. Have, had, has, got, get, getting, having. It will take verbs past participle. That is the verb V3. Or in some cases, it will take adjective. So I'd like to start with, yeah, Aziz Uddin. Please solve it. Number 8, rule number 8.
Having stolen the money, she ran away.
Ran away.
Having stolen the money.
Right, correct. They are getting
marriage. ED.
Right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Absolutely correct. So rule number 9 and 10. So rule number 9, I'm explaining. Passive voice will always take verb 3. Suppose tigers are seen in the Sundarbans. Sundarbane bagh dekha jay. The president of US has been affected by corona. So affected. So we always know that passive voice will take verb 3. Now the most important one is rule number 10. You see, everybody, somebody, no one, nothing, each. These will always take singular verb. Everybody, somebody, nobody, something, everything, nothing, no one, everyone, someone. These will always take singular form of the verb. Look at this. Something is under the house. Each boy wants money for their extra work. Nothing is right. Nothing was right earlier. So remember it. This word will always take singular form of the verb. So one thing I'm going to share is that this listening test, when you are doing the assignment of writing, at that time, you have to just send me 5 answers of these questions. I will share an audio with you. You listen to the audio and send me the answers. So there are 5 questions. As you can see, I will share this in the group as well today. Remember it. So listening, tick the correct answer. You will listen to the audio and then share your answers. Just A, 1, 2, 3, B, 2, something like this. So these will definitely help you to just focus on your listening. I will share the audio. It is my voice recorded because the story, I created the story and there is no other option. I could not bring any audio recorded. So I recorded my voice and then I will share it with you. Now, do you have any question? So in the whole session, we have done a story reading. We have done vocabulary. We have done some sort of speaking practice. I gave you a writing task and then we have gone through some grammar structure and we have some sort of discussion with the grammar elements as well. Now, do you have any question?
Sir, can you elaborate the grammatical problem?
Which one?
Now, what you showed everything, can you elaborate later?
I didn't understand. Which one? What do you want me to elaborate? Which one do you want me to elaborate?
Just like number 5 and
number 5. You see, number 5 is just a structural form. Suppose after article there will be noun. This is a kind of formation. This is the form and function theory I'm using here. I made these rules by myself. You need to know the form first and then apply it accordingly. So after article, there is always a noun. it's a very important one. Suppose a bag, the book, the picture, and one very interesting thing, let me teach you. When there is consonant sound, there will be the. So you see there is consonant sound, the, and when you say consonant sound again, then it will be the picture. But when there is vowel sound, it will be the. Suppose the umbrella. Remember it? So article a and the will always take noun if there is only one word. And if there is noun and later on there is a verb, this verb will take ing. As you can see, the necessity of, you see, the is the article, necessity is the noun, and there is of. So of is just money making, the necessity of money making. This is also correct. You could say that making money, the necessity of making money is important for leading a good life. So you can work here on with making money. These grammar rules are extremely important here. So you cannot memorize any rule. Rather, you have to apply the situational structure and you understand the full sentence and then apply according to the word class. So for that, I need to discuss word class. There are two classifications of this word. One is function word, another is content word. Remember? So probably you have not gone through it. Content word and function word. It will become more boring. I will discuss about it in the upcoming classes. So if you talk about content and function word are the words which are meaningful, and function word are the words which serve the structural purpose. Suppose article, determiner, conjunction, preposition, these are all function words. And content words are noun, adjective, adverb. These are all content words. So in the upcoming classes, definitely I'm going to discuss about it. Simply today, what I have done, I brought some structures, forms, and then I showed you how to apply them. This is called form and function theory. Yeah, now, any other question?
স্যার এখানে যেটা V1 মানে কি ভার্বের আমাদের প্রেজেন্ট ইয়েটাই?
Right. V1 means the present form or the base form of the verb. Present form or the base form of the verb. V1, and V2 is the past form of the verb, and V3 is the past participle form of the verb. Just for quick explanation, I have written it like this. Yeah, any other question?
sheet গুলো কি আমাদেরকে প্রোভাইড করা হবে?
Definitely, I will share it right after the class.
Okay.
In the group. I will share the audio, I will share the full content.
Thank you.
Then if you have any more question, I'm really very happy to answer. Because it's
how we will
subject.
submit our home task?
Yeah, you will submit your home task by Sunday. By the next class, actually.
Okay, but I want to
send it
know
earlier, no
actually
problem. I will check
system of
and
our
I will give you feedback. If you send it earlier, I will check the homework and then I will give you feedback.
So his question is how we give it to you.
Submit our home task.
Submit that.
Sorry?
How he submit the answer sheet to you?
Where we submit it, sir? Where we
Yeah,
submit?
definitely, no problem. I will share the total material with you right now, and any day, anytime you just submit your answers, but the feedback
In
will
our
be
WhatsApp
given.
group.
Yeah, in the WhatsApp group. Definitely in the WhatsApp group. Everything will be shared in the WhatsApp group. The slides that I shared today, it will also be shared. The class lesson content that I discussed here today, it will also be shared. Anything, I am bound to answer your questions. Any question you ask, I will definitely try my level best to answer all the questions. So I'd like to stop
Sir.
here today. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Everything is gone. Everything is gone beside my head. I can't get anything. Just
Yeah, you will feel like this because this was the beginning. But after attending a few classes with me, I'm sure that you will understand me better and things will be easier. And the moment you will get the content in your hand, you'll understand better. And later on, you can ask me questions, more questions. It will get easier. Just hold on to the situation.
Sir. Hello.
Feel better.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
To bring, I mean, to keep all the vocabulary memorized or inculcate at our brain, what should we do? We should
You do not
read.
need to memorize. You do not need to memorize. Just read story and it will enter into your brain if you translate the full sentence. You do not need to memorize, please. Memorization is a very bad habit and you will forget it, 100% sure. But if you just understand the word, that will help you better, because I have never memorized any word in my life. I just go through the context and found out the meaning. Suppose, look at the sentence. It was not facile for her to find him. So here, এটা তাকে খুঁজে পাওয়া তার জন্য সহজ ছিল না. So facile means সহজ. We understand. So understand this. That is enough.
So
But
should
never
we read?
memorize.
Should we read several times?
Read and read 3 times. Read and read 3 times. If you read, I'm sure that almost all the words will be in your brain. You might forget some words. For that, you need to just mark it. Test yourself in some occasions. Suppose in the next class, I will ask you some words. If you forget, then you understand that some words you are forgetting. And for that, I will give you, I have already given the synonyms here in the sheet. So after the class, I'm going to share the synonyms and the whole sheet. Then read. If you find difficulty, then ask me questions.
Sir, can we?
And I can guarantee in the upcoming classes, you will feel better.
Sir, can we get any adjective or preposition list?
Sorry, it means you want to go through what class sheet, right?
No, I want to know if you provide any adjective list, adjective or preposition list, what we should use.
Yeah, definitely. I will conduct some classes on that. Look at this. Do not focus on too much grammar first. At first, just get into the theory. Then, gradually, when we will discuss what class, you can ask me a lot of questions from there. Then, when we'll discuss about some structures, you can ask me questions. Gradually, you will learn. And it is not possible to learn all the adjectives in one day. Gradually, definitely, I will provide. I have already made a sheet on that. Word transformation, how to transform one word from verb, adjective, adverb. Then some words, like they work like 5 parts of speech together. I will display all those examples in the upcoming classes for sure.
Thank you.
All right, then. So I'd like to stop here today. Thank you very much.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, ask me.
Next 5 days we have no classes.
Yeah, that's why I'm going to share this sheet. Go through this
But
sheet.
then how can?
Gone on your head.
But we need to practice. We need to practice. But we cannot practice. We cannot make it alone. We can't make it alone. If our teammate, our classmate will make a group. We also have a group.
In the group, you can just practice by providing some who is free. I want to share. If you just provide some messages, definitely somebody will respond. And if I'm free, definitely I am going to guide you.
Yes, sir.
And I'm sure that the responses will help you.
I think, sir. I think, sir. We, if I have any question, then not into my class. Then, sir, বাংলাতে বলি ওদের কারণে হচ্ছে আমার পরবর্তী 5 দিন আমার কোনো ক্লাস নাই। যদি আমি আমার কোনো একটা কোয়েশ্চেন থাকে তখন তো আমি মানে সবার সাথে শেয়ার করতে পারবো কিনা, সবাই কি সেটা কি ইয়ে করবে কিনা, মানে সেখানে আমি ক্লাসের মধ্যে জিজ্ঞাসা করতে চাইতেছি।
It doesn't matter. Just write it in the group that, sir, I have a question. I want to ask you this. I am bound to answer because I will see the message and I'll reply it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Anything you feel difficulty, don't hesitate to communicate in the group, and I will definitely respond.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
when you are writing in the group, some other students will definitely help you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, then. Thank you very much. It was a nice session with you. I enjoyed a lot because I
Thank
have
you,
to
sir.
go through a lot of questions with you.
We also
Thank you
enjoyed
very
it.
much.
Thank you, sir.